An Ordinary Seaman OS is an entry-level crew member on a ship responsible for various tasks to ensure smooth operations. Key duties include deck duties: 1. Maintenance, cleaning, painting, and rust removal. 2. Equipment, maintaining winches and cranes. 3. Mooring, unmooring and anchoring operation, handling ropes during docking, and docking and assist in anchoring operation. For cargo operations, assisting in loading, securing, and unloading cargo. 5. Watchkeeping, standing watches, serving as lookout or steering the ship. 6. Safety duties, participating in emergency drills. An OS reports to the bosun or duty officer and has opportunities to advance to higher ranks, like Able Seaman.